Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1979 Cutlass Calais. Pretty cool car. I've never seen a W30 before. I got Eddie here who's going to tell us a little bit about it. How you doing today, Eddie?
Good, I'm doing great.
Yeah, what a cool car.
Yeah,
you don't really see these around.
I always wanted this car. I worked at Oldsmobile in 1979.
Wow, so you saw this car new?
Yeah, no I didn't.
Huh.
I was 19 years old. I wanted this car. We had one, somebody ordered a black one for the sale.
Yeah.
And they had another white one on the showroom floor. I begged
Cool.
my father to co-sign a loan.
Wow.
He took a look at it, he said, once he saw the stickers and the shifter coming out of the console, he
Yeah.
said, that's not your car.
Damn, what a buzzkill, huh? So it came like this, black and gold with these wheels and everything?
Black and gold
Huh.
with these wheels.
What's under the hood?
It's got a 68 350 motor in it, works with over 400 horse.
Yeah, sounds like a nice mild cam. Love that gated shifter too. So that came stock?
Yes.
Very neat.
Tachometer's not stock. No, these gauges.
No,
are
the shifter, the Hurst shifter.
Yes, that's the way it came out of the factory.
Very cool. Nice collaboration between Olds and Hurst, huh?
Yeah.
Man, love those big Hoosiers too.
2,499 of these between the black and the white split up.
That's it, huh?
They made 1,100 white ones and 1,300 change black ones. They made 700 with factory T-tops.
Wow.
Less than that with factory moonroofs.
Wow, and the moonroof is probably built by
factory moonroof.
ASC. You probably did the roof, right?
What's that?
ASC.
No, this was actually done at Oldsmobile.
Oh, really?
It's on Etched.
Wow,
Yeah.
it's cool.
Yeah.
So how many with the sunroof? How many with the roof?
Well, they made 700 with T-tops and less than that with moonroofs. Documentation from Oldsmobile, they had a fire, so you really
Oh, wow.
can't prove that, but
Yeah, I love these wheels too. They're so unique.
273 rear engine in it. It came with 273 single rear.
Yep.
I put a 273 Posi in it.
Cool.
Even though I'm 50 years old, I still wanted muscle out of it.
Yeah, well, who doesn't want muscle? It's really nice too. Came with the buckets and stuff, just like this.
I have a lot of parts for it. The last thing that's got to be done is paint the car.
Oh,
The seats are reupholstered in the front.
yeah, very cool.
I bought it from the original owner 20
So
years
you're
ago.
the second owner, and you've owned this for 20 years, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. 70,195 miles. I like the tack. Yeah,
75,000 original miles on it when I bought it.
this is comfortable too. Tilt wheel.
The dashboard is cracked. I have a dashboard that's not cracked.
Oh, it comes with it?
Yeah.
Man, I love that analog clock. Does that still work?
What's that?
Your analog clock?
Yes.
Wow, that's so cool.
It's not set for the right time, but it works.
Yeah, who cares? It's just neat. Original owner's manual. I love the gauges you added down there by
The
Odometer.
AC compressor was a limited when I did the engine. You'll see later when we do the hood.
Yeah, let's check out the hood. Nice, big, comfortable car. She's got to move, huh? With 400 horse?
Oh yeah, this one goes.
Check out under the hood.
I could go to a car show, 1,000 cars, and nobody's got them.
No, I've never seen one. I've been doing this forever. There she is. So it's a 350, 400 horse.
It's a 68 350 block
Okay.
with over 400 horse. I haven't had her on the dyno yet.
It's the Olds motor, obviously.
Yeah, Oldsmobile. Yep.
Nice big aluminum radiator.
Yep.
Is that a Griffin or a Be Cool?
Yeah, it's a 3-core radiator, aluminum.
Cool. Man, nice long tube headers in there.
It's got electronic cutouts for the headers.
Oh, you got NOS on this thing?
Yeah. I've used it a couple of times.
What is it, a 150 shot?
100 shot.
100 shot.
Yeah.
That's nice and safe.
I didn't want to kill it. I got a lot of money into this engine.
Yeah, man. MSD Distributor. Got the superconductor wires. Digital 6AL for rev limiting. Man, this is nice. You can adjust your fuel pressure here. Electronic choke.
For the nitrous and also the regular intake.
Cool. So power steering, power brakes.
Yeah.
Very cool. Fired up. Definitely a unique car. You'll never see another one.
No. The ignition is underneath here.
Oh, nice little lock. Man, sounds good. Flowmasters?
Yeah.
Sounds great. Man, you can't beat this car for the money. Oh, it's got cutouts too. Wow. Man, that sounds good. Rev it a little with the open. Wow. Sounds great. Nice and healthy, Eddie. Steel heads. Was the motor dyno tuned or anything?
No, it was blueprinted.
And who built it?
Blueprinted. It has nothing on the dyno.
Who built the motor?
Bobby from Ace Motors in Deer Park.
Oh, he's awesome. You know, the paint's not perfect, but so what?
I don't have
Oh, little fuel cell. Is that for...
That's racing fuel that goes into the carburetor when you hit the nitrous button.
Oh, great idea.
That's what you're supposed to do. You're not supposed to just spray nitrous in.
Yeah, you'll blow your motor without race fuel.
Yeah.
Man, cool car.
I have a trunk lid for it.
So we got some spare parts, right?
Yeah, plenty of spare parts.
We got trunk lid, dashboard, what else?
Original glass I had, because if you look at this, the glass was etched.
Etched in the corners, I
The
see.
roses, and the door windows are also etched.
Okay,
I have original glass for it that you can put on.
okay.
I just don't have the time to do it anymore.
Well, how old are you now?
63.
63. Well, time for something new, I suppose.
Yeah,
Doing this thing for 20 years.
Grandchildren now I'm going to enjoy.
Good for you. Well, guys, thanks for joining us. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give us a call, 631-339-0399. Eddie, thanks for showing us your car. So cool. And check out about 150 photos I shot today on the website, weebyautos.com.